All right, guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install and remove the splitter guards for the 2015 and up Dodge Chargers. If you want to install it, just going to grab the piece. There are two little holes. You're going to line them up with the holes underneath. You see these big holes? They're going to line up with these. Just put it right up, line it up. Two little clips here. Just push them in. There's one. And the second one's right here. Two. It is now installed. If you want to remove it, it is really simple. You just need a little flathead screwdriver. On the piece itself is going to be a little lip. You can just use that to kind of loosen it a little. Pull this one out. For the other one, same thing. Loosen it a little bit, pull it out, and it comes right off. That easy.